Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to stop a pending payment on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open Cash App on your device. On the main screen, tap the clock icon or the Activity tab in the bottom right corner. This will show a list of all your transactions. Find the pending payment you want to cancel. If the payment is eligible for cancellation, you will see a Cancel option. Tap on the transaction, then select Cancel on the Transaction Details page. Confirm your choice when prompted, and the pending payment will be cancelled. If you do not see the Cancel option, the transaction might already be processing or complete. In this case, you will need to contact Cash App support. To do this, tap the profile icon in the top right corner of the main screen. Scroll down and select Support. From there, choose the option to contact support or start a chat. Send a message explaining that you need help cancelling a pending transaction. The Cash App support team will respond with further assistance. So that's basically how you can stop a pending payment on Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.